What's up, everybody? This is Ian McDonald, and welcome back to my channel. I am the owner of Disruptive Solutions, and here on this YouTube channel, I like to show you some projects that I've been working on and teach you how to make these for yourself, or I just provide you the template and you can go ahead and do with it what you like. So today I have a chatbot for you, and I'm going to show you how to build it. First of all, I want to say thank you. I've had this YouTube channel for about a couple months, and I got a good handful of responses and subscribers in those first couple months. And I just want to say thank you so much. And it's very inspiring and validating that what I'm doing is cool, and I will continue to make videos like this and continue to pursue my dream, which is to have my own business where I am making projects with AI, helping people find custom AI automation workflows or creating custom apps for people similar to this. And I'm also in the works right now of creating a standalone app, which I will be providing more information in the future as that continues to develop. So again, thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome. And I'd love for you to subscribe and see these videos coming out as they come out. Cool. So I'm just going to demonstrate for you here really quick what it can do. So I have three default settings in here for the system prompt. And what a system prompt is, like the master prompt for how you want your GPT to behave. So this one I have here is it's basically the business team assistant. So it's got this pretty decently long prompt in here, and it references everything about our company. And I can go in here and I can make edits to it, save it. I could come in here and delete it, and I just created one that said you're a comedian. So let's see how that goes. Tell me a joke. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Nice. So what this is Replit, a development platform where this code lives. What you're going to do is you'll come to this URL here. I'll have that in the description or in the comments. You hit this green button here, you click fork, and then it's going to ask you to fork it. And you'll see over here are all the files where you can navigate through the different code. You really don't have to mess with any of this. It's good to go. So all that you will have to do is we can go ahead and click run. You'll hit the plus button up here, and you will hit secret. And we're going to get these two variables. So we're going to get the assistant ID, and we're going to get our OpenAI API key. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Super simple, very easy. So we will hop into OpenAI platform. You'll need to create an account or log in, obviously. You'll hit the dashboard button, make sure you're there. And to do this, you'll have to put a little bit of money in. Usage is super inexpensive. I use GPT-4o Mini in most of my projects, and probably in a month if I used it. Within all of my projects, I probably wouldn't go over 10 bucks. To do that, you will come over here and you'll hit increase limit. You will scroll down to buy credits, and then I've got $5 in credits in my account. You can come and add your credit card and put however much money you'd like to into it. So now that we've got that taken care of, I'm going to show you how to grab your API key. Just hit that tab there. Go ahead and delete the test and make a new one. You'll hit this green button up here. Create a new secret key. Go ahead and name it test again. Create secret. Copy that. Come back into Replit. And in our secrets tab here, again, we got OpenAI API key value. We're going to add it. And then now we need to get our assistant ID. Again, coming back into the development platform, you'll see this tab here for assistants. I've got two already mapped out. We'll go ahead and use this empty one here, and we'll call it testbot. And so all you will need to do is just click this here. You'll say click to copy. And you can choose the different models that you like to. I've got 4o Mini, like I mentioned earlier, in here. And you will take that assistant ID, paste it into the value, add, and now we've got an assistant. And so I'm going to stop the project, run it once more to make sure that those values are set into the project. Cool, let's see if we've got it working. Are you working? Yes, he's working. All right, so let's go ahead and create a vector store. So now we have a new storage for our files. Upload, and now it's got that file to reference. Tell me about the AI document. Right on. So it has referenced it, and you can tell that it's referenced something by this little container here where it sources that document. So it's sourcing these to gain that information. Cool. That's pretty much it as far as setup here. Once you've got it doing what you got set up with your keys, you'll hit the deploy if you have an account with Replit. If you do not have an account, you will just come in here and hit run. So if you do have a paid Replit account, you will be able to deploy this, getting a always on URL. You can customize it in here, and this is what allows me to embed that URL and access it at any time through my Monday.com account. So this cost me 25 bucks a month. I think that it's very reasonable, and you can create multiple projects like this in here. So we will hit the deploy. It's gonna ask you what kind of setup you want. You'll select auto scale. This one we can say chat bot test 11 for randomness. We'll hit deploy. It's going to go through this process of essentially publishing our app to the web. Cool, now it has deployed, and I've got my own personal URL here to be able to use this, and now I can take this and embed it wherever I like. So we go ahead and copy that. We'll go to monday.com again. Here they've got this embed anything. We can go ahead and find it. Let's see, embed everything. Got another one over here. We can add the site, embed the link, pulls it up. Boom, there you go. You can do this on your website. You can do it on whatever. You can just have this as a standalone link. You can share it with your coworkers, all that cool stuff. And that's essentially it. So again, I'm going to have this code for you in the details or in the comments or description or whatever it is. You can make this for yourself. If you have any questions, absolutely feel free to reach out to me. My website, you can find that also in the description or comments. And I love making these videos. Thank you so much if you stuck around and watched this, and I look forward to showing you the next thing. And again, I have this cool project coming up I'm really excited to share with you, as well as if you like the video, please do comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.